Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your clan in Clash of Clans. Many players wonder how to permanently remove their clan, but there is no simple delete button. Instead, you need to follow a specific process involving every member. The core idea is that a clan can only exist if at least one member is present. Therefore, the clan leader holds the key role in its ultimate dissolution. To begin the disbandment process, the clan leader must first remove all other members. Navigate to your clan's profile and tap on the Members tab to view the full roster. For each player, tap on their name and then select the Kick option from the menu that appears. It is crucial to confirm each expulsion to ensure no one remains. Repeat this step for every single member until only the leader is left. Once you, as the clan leader, are the only member left, your final action will complete the deletion. Go to your own player profile within the game. You will see a prominent Leave Clan button displayed there. Tap this button and then confirm your decision when prompted. This final step is critical because when the last member departs, the clan ceases to exist and is permanently removed from the game servers. After you have successfully left as the final member, the clan is officially disbanded. It will immediately vanish from all search functions and will no longer be visible to any players. Remember that all clan-specific progress, collected resources, and any donations made will be permanently lost. You are now free to create a brand new clan or to search for another existing one that suits your future gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.